9 best doctors out there do not take the place of your doctor. This is not chemotherapy. This is not medication. This is not drugs. This is only lifestyle choices that could work with you in your situation. I want to tell you 2 stories in starting here today. First of all, I'll tell you a story about Sue Hamilton. What an incredible lady. Sue got cancer in the breast. They cut out the cancer. They gave her chemo. And the cancer spread to her brain and other parts of the body. And basically, they gave up with her. And she heard about something like this, change her lifestyle. And she attended a workshop. And she changed her lifestyle. Sue today has been called back by the California Cancer Association as their poster child.
Sure.
Because she's totally cancer-free, and she had the most aggressive cancer, breast cancer out there, that had spread into other parts of her body. She's just so excited. Every time she sees me, she says, "Louis, thank you. I'm alive because of the ideas you gave me." You see, the body is the healer, not the drugs, not the medication, not the supplements. The body is the healer. Another cancer story is mine. I was 26 years old and I decided to go and get a life policy because I was feeling so terrible. And I said, "Laverne, before I go to a doctor, I'm going to quickly go and get a life policy." And it backfired because they discovered I had leukemia. And over the next 5 years, I fought my cancer the medical way. And the doctor was a wonderful man. He was trying his utmost to help me. But he had never been taught that the body is a healer if you give it the right environment. That's why those 9 best doctors we just watched a few seconds ago, that's what you want to apply in your life. At the same time out there, guess what I did? I did all of that. And here I am, 29 years later, cancer-free. Isn't that exciting?
Yes.
So if I had cancer, I'd apply the 9 best doctors. I would look for an incredible nutritional organization out there, right, that's got juice extracted, dehydrated, organically grown, GMO-free, vine ripe and whole food supplements. And the best I could ever find was Near Life. And that's the one I use. You don't have to check out what you want to use. I would detox my body. I would do a thorough detox of things like Beta-Guard, Neolax or stage 6, depends where in the world you live. I would use garlic, at least 6 garlic a day. Garlic is one of the most powerful cancer fighters. I'd use it through the detox, and I'd continue after the detox for at least 4 to 6 months. I would take about 2 acidophilus in the morning, lactobacilli. I would take minerals and calcium to alkalize the body right through. I would drink lots of aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the most powerful detoxifiers you can imagine. As a matter of fact, when America bombed Japan, all these Japanese had radiation burns, and the only way they could suck the radiation out was hot aloe vera poultices. Would suck that radiation out, those Japanese. So if I had cancer, this is what I would do. Don't know about you, but this is what I do. I'd take 2 Pro Vitality Plus a day. I love the Pro Vitality because it's got 52 nutrient families. I'd add the protein shake to it because that little combination gives you 56 nutrient families out there. And guess what? If you're giving a body 56 nutrient families, you could be turning yourself around. Yeah, you are. You're heading towards cancer. You're heading towards diabetes. You're heading towards arthritis, you're heading towards dementia, you're heading like where the average person's going. But if you can give your body the 56 or 59 nutrient families, you can turn yourself around. Now all of a sudden you'll be going in a new direction, and a few years down the road you'll say, "Wow, I'm feeling so good, man." When people look at my schedule, 26 cities a month, they say, "How did you do it at your age?" I was at a workshop the other day, and this lady was there. She must be about 21 years old. She comes to me, she says, "I have to ask you your age." I said, "Why?" She says, your hair makes you look like you're about in the 60s. She says, "But your vibrancy and energy puts you in your 20s. All right. I said, I've just turned 21. Anyway, she was very impressed. I love this product over here because it's got your salmon oil, it's got your carotenoids, it's got the lipids and sterols that allow the nutrient to penetrate the cell and the waste to exit the cell. There is nothing in the world. This product alone has got about 5 or 6 world firsts in one product. Incredible. This product alone, you know, when you compare it to somebody else, there is nobody to compare it to. The second best carotenoid out there has got this has got 15 families, about 600. It's got all the 8 oils in the salmon. It's got all 8 E's in. Incredible product. I would take 2 Fighter Defense a day. Fighter Defense is the most incredible product. It's a life-changing product. Studies shown that some of the ingredients in the Fighter Defense, it's got 4,000 bioflavonoids in it. It's got the one tablet in there has got the equivalent of 11 cabbages. The beta blockers from 11 cabbages, juice extracted, dehydrated. And guess what those do? They form layers, walls, around your sex organ cells, like your breast or your ovary or prostate, and stops. Here's a cancer cell coming down to attach itself, and it can't attach itself because there's a shield around the product, around the cell. If you're a human being, if you're male or female, even if you don't know, you better delete that. All right. Well, so you need to get on to 10 vitamin C a day. Vitamin C is the most incredible antioxidant. Suck it. I like the chewable C's. I take many days, I take 10, 20 of those a day. Just great. That's my candy, my sweets is vitamin C, Vita Squares, Vita Gold. I just love those products. Oh, they get those for your children, get them for anybody with a sore throat, mouth, just they're antioxidants, they're vitamin C's, they're multivitamins, they're just great, and they'll boost your body's ability to fight disease while tasting incredible. Put one of each in your mouth at the same time, great products. Vitamin E, absolutely amazing product. It's an antioxidant that can stay in your cells for up to 90 days. Take 1 shake a day, at least 1 shake a day, because remember that your protein is the building blocks for your body. If your body wants to fight cancer, it needs collagen. Collagen is a key factor in fighting cancer. And how does your body find collagen? It has to make it. How does it make it? It breaks down the food when we digest it. You know the 2,000 digestive enzymes from protein. Now you take the C out of that, you've got the vitamin C, you glue a family of protein onto, you glue another protein, and now you've turned that vitamin C into collagen. Now you need the protein in the cell to assimilate in the cell. So it is vital to have protein. You need to take 6 garlic a day all the way through, I mentioned that. You need to take calcium all the way through. Remember, cancer loves acidity. You want to get your body alkaline. Raw fruits and vegetables, raw. You can even add baking soda to your water, alkalize it. Lemon to your water, alkalize it. Apple cider vinegar with the brag, with the mother inside, alkalize it. You don't want to eat, you want to cut out as much as possible animal proteins. And nothing fried, nothing cooked, nothing on a brightflace or barbecue, anything like that. You want to have things, soups and stews and things like that. You want to have smoothies. You want to have, if you drink vegetable juice, make sure it's not sweet, because the sweeter the juice, the more sugar. You want, if you do have carrots in it, small amounts, all day long, so that you don't get sugar spiking. Well, folks, I hope that helped you understand a little bit more about cancer. I would highly recommend you educate yourself on some cancer books. There's a cancer book on the internet called Winning the Cancer Battle. Anybody read it yet? It's got a pretty sharp author. Winning the Cancer Battle, right? Okay. There's also a series out there of audios that are and DVDs called The Truth About Cancer. Anybody watch that? Very, very good. If you don't have it, try and get from Charlie. I brought some into this country. He's got them. So you want to educate yourself. You need to educate yourself that the only way is not chemotherapy, or the only way is not radiation. One last thing in closing over here. If you're just going to have a cancer cut out of you, you're not getting to the root of the problem. You see, let's go back 200 years ago. People would bury their trash in the back of the yard. I think we all know that, before the municipalities. Imagine if God saw all these pockets of trash out there, these rubbish dumps, and He put down His hand and dug it out and took it away and disposed of it, and now the earth was clean. What's going to happen next month? We're going to have to dump it again. Am I not right? And all of a sudden it's going to carry on going. If your body can't cope with the toxins and the pesticides and the chemicals, we've got about 4,000 chemicals that we're using today in our shampoo, in our conditioner, and our skin cream, and our shaving gel, in our food preservatives. You think that eating just 11 pieces of bacon or 11 pieces of sandwich meat in 30 days could increase your leukemia count by 900%. Just be so careful whenever you put something in your body. Is it healing you or killing you? Food does not sit on the fence. Anyway, I hope you learned something tonight. Get hold of the person who sent you this and say, hey, you know what? I'd like to learn more, because we've got so much information that can empower you to live a healthier life, that you can be more vibrant, more energetic. You don't have to be that tired, sick you. Thank you so much, and God bless.